Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to create an account on the Bitget wallet, formerly known as Bitkeep. Now, creating an account on the Bitget wallet is a straightforward process. Here is a general guide. You just need to download the Bitget wallet app from your device's app store, which can be Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS. Now, once the app is downloaded, all you need to do is open it on your device. You typically see an option to create a new wallet or create wallet. You just need to tap on this. Now you need to create a strong and secure password for your wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your private keys, and you just need to confirm the password. Now this is a recovery phase. This is the most crucial step. The app will generate a 12 or 24 word seed phrase, which is the recovery phase. Just need to write down the seed phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe and secure location. Do not take screenshots or store it digitally. Anyone with access to your seed phrase can access your wallet and funds. The app will typically ask you to confirm your seed phrase by entering the words in the correct order. Once you've confirmed your seed phrase, the setup process is complete. You will now have access to your Bitget wallet and can start managing your cryptocurrencies. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.